Want to unlock big opportunities for your business? You need an EIN. An EIN is like a social security number, but for your business. It's a unique identifier the government uses to track your business activities, and it's vital for securing funding. Think of your EIN as your business's golden ticket. It opens doors to larger loans and better financial options. Without it, you're limiting your potential. Don't let your business miss out. Getting an EIN is surprisingly easy. You can apply online through the IRS website. It's a simple process, and you'll receive your EIN almost instantly. Once you have it, you're ready to explore a world of funding possibilities. So, if you're serious about growing your business, get your EIN. It's the first step towards securing the funds you need to achieve your dreams. Let's clear the air about some common loan myths. Many folks think getting a large business loan is impossible. They believe you need perfect credit, years of experience, and tons of collateral. That's simply not true. While those factors help, they aren't the only things lenders consider. In fact, many lenders are more interested in your business plan and your ability to repay the loan. Another myth? That you need to be a huge corporation to qualify. Wrong. Plenty of lenders specialize in helping small businesses like yours. They understand the unique challenges you face and are eager to support your growth. Don't let these myths hold you back. With the right approach and a solid plan, securing a large loan is achievable. It's time to ditch the doubts and explore your options. So what do lenders really want to see? It boils down to three key ingredients: a solid business plan, a good credit score, and the ability to repay. Think of it as a recipe for success. Your business plan is like the main course. It needs to be detailed, well-researched, and show a clear path to profitability. Lenders want to see that you've thought things through and have a plan for success. Your credit score is like the side dish. It provides context and shows how responsible you are with money. While not the only factor, a good score demonstrates trustworthiness to lenders. Finally, your ability to repay is the dessert, the sweet ending that lenders crave. They want to see a steady cash flow and a realistic plan for making loan payments. Be upfront about your financials and demonstrate your commitment to repayment. By presenting these three elements, you're not just asking for money, you're presenting a compelling case for investment. You're showing lenders you're serious, prepared, and ready to succeed. Section 4. Escaping the traditional loan maze. There's a better way. Let's face it, traditional lending processes can be a headache. Endless paperwork, long wait times, and impersonal interactions. It's enough to make anyone want to pull their hair out. But there's good news. EIN-based loans offer a refreshing alternative. These loans are designed with small businesses in mind, streamlining the process and making funding more accessible. Many EIN-based lenders leverage technology to simplify applications and speed up approvals. They understand your time is valuable and strive to make the process as smooth as possible. Moreover, many EIN-based lenders offer flexible terms and personalized support. They work with you to find a loan that fits your unique needs and provides guidance along the way. So, if you're tired of navigating the traditional loan maze, consider the EIN-based route. It could save you time, reduce stress, and help you secure the funding you need faster. Section 5. Unlocking potential, the power of EIN-based loans. Countless entrepreneurs have used EIN-based loans to fuel their dreams. Take Sarah, for example. She owned a small bakery but dreamed of expanding. Traditional banks turned her down, citing insufficient collateral. Discouraged but determined, Sarah explored EIN-based options. She found a lender who believed in her vision and secured a loan to open a second location. Today, Sarah's bakeries are thriving, thanks to her willingness to explore alternative funding avenues. Then there's John, who ran a successful landscaping business. He needed to upgrade his equipment but didn't want to deplete his savings. An EIN-based loan provided the capital he needed to purchase new machinery, leading to increased efficiency and higher profits. These are just two examples of how EIN-based loans can empower small business owners. By providing access to capital, these loans unlock potential and pave the way for growth and success.